Hey everyone, so today we discuss how to prove 9 factorial over 9 double factorial is equal to 8 double factorial. If we see 9 factorial is equal to 9 cross 8 cross 7 cross 6 cross 5 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 1. So we find 9 double factorial, which mean factorial of only odd numbers. So 9.7.5.3.1, and 8 double factorial mean only factorial of even number. So 8.6.4.2. So 9 factorial or 9 double factorial, we put the values of 9 factorial and 9 double factorial, so we get like that: 9.8.7.6.5.4.3.2.1 over 9.7.5.3.1. So if we check, it all are cancels, so we get only 8.6.4.2, which is equal to 8 double factorial, hence proof.